Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Subaru Impreza shift knob. First, ensure your car is safely parked with the parking brake engaged. You'll want to gather a few basic tools, like a small flathead screwdriver and a trim removal tool, to prevent scratching. Shifting into neutral or a low gear will give you more room to work comfortably. This process is straightforward and can be done with minimal effort. Now, let's detach the shift boot. Carefully use your trim removal tool to pry up the trim piece surrounding the boot. It's usually held by 4 clips, so be gentle to avoid damage. Once the trim is loose, unclip the boot itself and slide it down the shift lever. This will reveal the base of the shift knob, giving you access to its attachment mechanism. With the boot out of the way, you can now focus on the knob itself. Most Subaru shift knobs are held by a retaining clip or a small screw at the base. Use your flathead screwdriver to carefully release this clip. Once it's disengaged, simply twist the shift knob counterclockwise. It should then easily unscrew and lift off the shift lever. To install your new shift knob, simply reverse these steps. Screw it on clockwise until snug, then reattach the retaining clip and slide the boot back into place. Make sure everything is secure and test your gear engagement before driving. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching and happy driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.